What's up, guys? I'm back with another video today. You probably know by the title, but I'm doing my first taste test video ever posted on YouTube. So anyways, let's get in. So I'm going to show you what I've got, yeah. So anyways, like and subscribe. So the first thing that we've got, I've never ever tried one of these before, but it's actually Arizona. I've never had one of those. It's like fruit mix together. I'll tell you what I think of it. And then we've got a surprise. It's actually pretty cool. It's a unicorn cookie, a freaking unicorn cookie. I'm gonna see if it sticks to the carpet. No, it doesn't stick to the carpet, so I'm good. Anyways, let's open my drink. Okay, let's try. It's not like fizzy. It feels like, it tastes like it's like a grape and like something like a little bit sour. Yeah, I can definitely taste grape in there. Yep, there's grape, there's cherry, there's strawberry, mango, apple. It's good. Anyways, enough of that. Let's get into the cookie. Anyways, 1 second, let me take one more sip of this drink and see what happens. Because that's probably going to be like the third sip. Let's see what happens when you do that. Oh, damn, it felt weird. Oh, damn, I drink crazy, but my cookie's stuck on my arm. Let's try it. I'm ready. It's hot. I don't really like it, but I'm still going to eat the whole thing. Let's see if my mouth is color. A little bit of colors. Anyways, guys, I'm actually not going to eat this. I'm just going to put it in the garbage and then we'll do the outro. Anyways, guys, so they finally reached the outro and I'm still drinking this. It's really good. If you're wondering why I'm doing videos inside, it's because I live in Canada and it's really, really cold. And there's loads of water. So if I step in that, I'm going to have to go home and then it's going to be a boring video. So anyways, like it, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and peace.